Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning. Good morning, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm going to present our article with title Need Analysis for Developing Writing Skill Materials Using Facebook for English Undergraduate Students. And there are four authors in this article. They are Gemina Siti Sakir, Syarifuddin Dola, Safnil Arsyad, and Jamaluddin Ahmad. Okay, now this is the curriculum vitae of the authors. The first is me, Dr. Gemina Siti Sakir, SPD MPD. I'm a lecturer in English Education Department of Universitas Negeri Makassar or Makassar State University, Indonesia. And then my research interests include writing, TEFL, business English, call, and English materials development. And the second author is Professor Dr. Syarifuddin Dola, MPD. He is a professor of English Education Department, and his research interests include applied linguistics, psycholinguistics, call, and ESP, English for Specific Purposes. And the third author is Professor Safnil Arsyad, MA PhD. He is a professor of English Education Department in Universitas Bengkulu, Indonesia. And his research interests include language teaching, applied linguistics, discourse studies, discourse articles, and rhetoric. And the fourth author is Dr. Jamaluddin Ahmad, SOS MSI. He is a first rector of Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidenreng Rapang, UMS Rapang, Indonesia. And his research interests include public administration, public policy, technology, and government. Now, this article, this research is aiming at giving a contribution to the lecture's knowledge on the design materials in using social media such as Facebook in teaching writing process to English department students. And then before conducting the developing module for Facebook-based writing instructional course, we surveyed and explored the students' need. The stage of this research consisted of need analysis and document analysis. We conducted need analysis to 141 English students and 2 lectures of writing. Data were collected using need analysis questionnaire and interview. The analyzed documents in this research were lesson plan, syllabus, and the existing textbooks. The data from questionnaire and interview were analyzed in quantitative and qualitative methods. Introduction. This research is expected to become a materials for teaching and learning writing in the university level to improve the students' writing quality. The process of students' need analysis is important to be done as a basic of developing module for Facebook-based writing instructional course. There must be materials that are mainly focused on teaching students how to write in beginner level, or we can say the writing one. We know that the internet and social media now have been a part of human life, activities, job, and acquiring knowledge over the world. In the world, Indonesia is become the fourth largest Facebook community. It has about 70 million active Facebook users in Indonesia. So I want to use this application, this social media, Facebook, to improve the students' writing. And then methodology. The method of this research is part of the research and development research design following the design. This is the part of R&D designs. The focus of this study is the first phase, that is analysis phase. In analysis phase, the researchers find the students' and lecturers' needs. And this research was conducted a mixed method with quantitative and qualitative data. The subjects in this research were 141 English department students that were chosen by total sampling technique from the 2nd, 4th, 6th, and 8th semesters of English Education and Department of STKIP Muhammadiyah Rapang, Indonesia, that changed now as a University Muhammadiyah Sidenreng Rapang, UMS Rapang, and 2 lecturer of writing in English Education Department. In collecting the data, the researchers used 2 kinds of instrument, namely questionnaire and interview. The questionnaire in this research was used as the main instrument to get the data of needs analysis, while interview was only used to clarify the information gotten from the questionnaire, and all the subjects were given to the field. All the subjects were given to fill the needs analysis questionnaire, but only some subjects were invited to take part in follow-up the interviews. Finally, the data that had been collected were analyzed through quantitative descriptive and qualitative data analysis. And from the questionnaire, here the results and discussion. From the table 1, level of student strengths and weakness in language. From the data in table 1 proves that most of the students found all language skills quite difficult. About writing skills, most of students feel they're in the fair level, and none of the students said that they in a very good level of writing skills. There are 3 students in very weak level and 27 students in weak level of writing skills. The kinds of the students, and then from the figure 1, the learning styles of the students. From the figure 1 show that the students more prefer to the visual learning styles because there are 81% students said that they always use the visual one. It means that the student more motivated with something can be seen, visual. And then from the figure 2, the importance level of language skills. The importance level of the 4 language skills are considered very important to the data acquired. From the figure 2, the most important language skills according to the student is writing, and then with percentage 75%. In line with this research is to develop writing materials to the students. And then the contents of writing materials that the students need is from the figure 3, students need in the contents of the writing materials should be consist of the vocabulary, reading text, and grammar. So the materials not only about writing skill but have more variety part of language also. And then about the context of the writing materials, we can see at the figure 4. Students need about the context of the material of the writing materials prefer to include the non-formal language too. So in this material, students hope that this context can be present in both formal and non-formal context. And then about the level of writing, we can see the figure 5, writing materials. The researcher developed in this research start from the beginner. It is named writing 1 materials because in line with the student's needs shown in the figure 5, the student prefer to develop materials in beginner level first. The intended purpose of this question is to discover the student's perception of the most appropriate goal for studying writing English as part of language skills. Most of the students, which is 79.67%, considers that the most suitable goal of the writing English about education reason. And then after that, the questionnaire consists about the topics of the writing materials, and then from the topics we can see in the table 2, students are questioned on their preferred English learning topics and were offered their opinions on the 12 learning topics in which they consider important or unimportant, and then the results show that the rank of each topic start from the first one is introduction, and then profession and jobs, family, describing place, daily activities, and then we can see in the sixth place is an unforgettable moment, and about Muhammadiyah, and then about describing place, and then about the last one is about short story. And then after that, in other hand, we also interview the lecturers, and then the result of the lectures interview. The interview show that the teacher's desires in teaching writing are to improve the student's skill to comprehend the materials. It goes along with the main objectives of the teaching writing 1 and writing 2 and writing 3, namely to able to write simple text with simple, compound, and complex patterns, to able to write paragraphs using various expository modes, and to know and write composition based on the certain clauses. And then here, the goal of the objective of material for the writing skill instruction in addition should be designed not only based on the curriculum but also based on the students and learning needs characteristic. They are 1. The materials are interactive, self-contained, easy to use, online support, social media, and authentic, environmentally friendly, formal and informal environments, online evaluation. And the second is the materials should be presented in visual aids. And the third, the materials should support and facilitate the students' academic and non-academic writing activities. The fourth is the topics of the materials should be interesting, in which provide a cultural background of students. Fifth, the materials should be implemented by applying vocabulary, reading text, grammar, and basic skills in writing process. Sixth, the materials should be implemented in beginner level, it means writing 1. And the seventh, the materials should be implemented in class and out class. And last but not least is the materials must be globally and international context. And then we come from and about the conclusion of this article, this research. I want to say that the first is need analysis is a basic of developing module for Facebook-based writing instructional course in order that the material can be related to the students' need, levels, and lectures perception. And then the lecture's desires in teaching writing are to improve the student's skill to comprehend the materials, and the existing materials is unsuitable for the students, so they prefer learning facilitated by electronic social media such as Facebook, so they will more motivate in write. So from this article we hope we can design and develop materials based on the Facebook to improve the students' writing, to improve the writing skills. Knowledgement. The research was supported by Universitas Negeri Makassar as affiliation of first researcher for the academic support, and we would also like to show our gratitude to students and lecturers of English Education Department of STKIP Muhammadiyah Sidenreng Rapang that now changed as Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidenreng Rapang, Indonesia, for sharing their perception and knowledge for the purpose of this study. And I want to also address my appreciation to my mentor, Professor Dr. Sarifuddin Dola, MPD, and Professor Safnil Arsyad, MA, PhD, for their guidance and encouragement. Okay, thank you. I think that's all. See you at the next Asia TEFL Conference 2021. I'm Gemi Nastiti. Thank you for your listening, and please join to my YouTube channel Gemi Nastiti Sakir, and you can see the video of our students and about the learning process in Indonesia. Thank you. See you.